Oh, you know what? Maybe if I just... Hi guys! For this month, I figured wouldn't it be cool if I just like focus on my hair? My curly hair journey. I went to the store and bought some products and hopefully we could see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be fine. So as you can see, my hair is like a round 2B kind of curl. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna put a picture here. They're kind of weird because I didn't know. Apparently it's like bad to brush your hair, or it's bad to brush it while it's wet, or just to generally brush it, I guess. So I'm just gonna try to like rake my fingers through it when I do my routines because I just want at least damage as possible. The goal for this video is to have less frizz, because if you look at my hair, it's pretty frizzy. So like it's big, like I don't know what to do with it. It's like everywhere.
A few moments later.
I brought products. I don't know, should this be my thumbnail picture? Okay, that's good. Anyway, honestly, when you do your research with curly girl hair routines, it's kind of scary because they give you so much product. And then sometimes you look up the products and they're so expensive and I'm just like, wow, I don't have money for that. So I just went to I followed some YouTubers who tried their best to be simple as possible. So right now I'm using Love Beauty and Planet. And it's their argan oil and lavender aroma, and it smells, it's upside down because like there's just a bit of conditioner left, but it smells hella good. Like it smells really good. They have like a list of like things that they have and the things that they don't have. Sorry for my nails. So yeah, there's no silicones, parabens, but they still have sulfate in it, which a lot of sites don't recommend. And then what I already did have, you can't see it, but I recently colored my hair and they gave me this white silver hair mask by Tenknia, and it's vegan, paraben free, and mineral oil free, and I think so far like it just helps with the color of my hair. Like I did not want brassy hair at all, so yeah. This is pretty good so far. It's about a month now and it's still pretty full. First thing that I got is this hot oil treatment cream, no parabens, and it's by Swallow. Honestly, I did no research with this. I just figured, I don't know, hot oil cream would be good for the hair. Next, we got virgin coconut oil. I got like the small one because I wanted to see how it goes, I guess. Maybe I'm just afraid of commitment. Now I'm just like, I got like a small version of everything because I'm scared. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm gonna do with it is I'm just gonna put it in a bowl, microwave it for a bit, make sure it's warm but not too hot, and then leave it on my hair overnight, and then like plop my hair, which is this whole thing I researched about, and then like hopefully it'll turn out okay tomorrow. This next thing that I learned about, apparently gel is good for your hair. I don't know either. I wasn't sure about this. I was very skeptical about this product and I didn't even know if I'm buying the right type of gel. I just like grabbed gel from the store, the smallest one. So yeah, after you shower, you just like put it in there and then it gets crunchy, so you just gotta crunch the crunch out, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing either. Don't trust me. This is just like how I don't know. Okay, this one like I got on a whim, which is also the smallest size they have, and it's called the Curl Defining Milk Hair Lotion. And then I tried to Google it, but there was no Wi-Fi, so I was like, all right, I guess I'll try it. So yeah, apparently it's okay. I don't know. We'll see, and I'll tell you guys. But yeah. So my plan for tonight is to do my normal hair routine, shampoo, conditioner, and then add like some hot oil treatment or some leave-in conditioner I have back there. And after that, I'm gonna just like put in warm coconut oil on my hair and then like leave it in overnight, make sure it gets all soaked up. Tomorrow I'm gonna rinse my hair and then put styling gel over my wet hair and then let it dry, and then we'll see how it goes from there, and I will get back to you guys on it, and maybe it'll be fine, who knows. Oh god. Hi friends! Now it's the hot oil part, and I'm just gonna let that sit for 20 minutes and then I'll just get back to you. I am going to let time pass by watching this new K-drama I'm into called Itaewon Class, and I hope it's, you know, it's pretty intense right now, so I'm pretty sure I might accidentally leave this way longer than intended to. Hey guys, so as you can see, my hair is still like super wet. Right now I am going to do that thing. Then I guess I'm gonna about use like this much. So basically what the lady did in the video, she like tested it with her fingers, made sure it's like warm, and then she literally just like dunked her hair in and said, don't waste any of it. And I think now I put way too much coconut oil, but you know, it's too late now, I guess. Like, oh fudge. Is it too hot? I think it's like kind of warm. Okay, you know what? It's like, it's too late now. Okay, and then she like twist them. Just put all the hair in, and then she like put it on top of her head, and I'm scared. Okay. Putting all this on my head. Oh my gosh, am I doing it right? Am I doing anything right? Oh my gosh, it's dripping. Holy guacamole, this is gonna be such a mess. Oh fudge me. Like, and then she slept with this. Oh, I will get back to you guys in the morning if I remember, and if I don't, I am so sorry. I forgot to record what happened. Took out the towel, and then my hair was really pretty. I think it was really like soft, but I also think I messed up. I think like, oh wait, sorry, I just cooked and the onions went in my eye. Oh, so, oh my god. Okay, anyway, so I tried the, oh geez, my eyes, they burn. Okay, I'm sorry, you have to like talk to me like, hold on. Beep! I'm back. Woo. Went to the shower. I had to wash it off apparently with shampoo, so I just like used like a tiny drop of it. I didn't put conditioner anymore, and I low-key think that that's what I should have done. I should have put conditioner after, but it's too late now. And then I put gel over my really dripping wet hair, and I'm so nervous because like it's frizzy. But then like the curls are they're more curly now. The whole point of this is to like not be frizzy. I don't know if I didn't put enough gel. I don't know if I put too much gel. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. It's so messy. And it's a process, we're learning. So hopefully when I get back to you guys, it'll look cute. If it don't look cute, I don't know. Okay, so I've been doing like this whole scrunching method for like about an hour now. I don't know, I'm a little bit scared because it keeps getting bigger. It's growing. Like, I look very full of hair right now. If you look close enough, it's pretty frizzy. Like, the curls are great. I don't know about the frizz. Like, that was the one thing I wanted to manage. But I feel like Hagrid from Harry Potter, and that's not the vibe I was gonna go for, though I love Hagrid. So in a desperate attempt to calm my frizzy hair, I'm gonna be trying to use the curl defining milk hair lotion. Hi guys, so I just came from class. I couldn't really take a video of what it looked like after the routine because I was kind of like, I didn't want to be late because I don't like being late for class. So yeah, this is after a few hours of being outside. It's already like 2 p.m. So I've just been scrunching it up and I've been like really trying to like get it to be soft. Right now, I don't know, it doesn't feel soft, but it doesn't feel crunchy, I guess, and so I guess that's like a good thing. These are the curls, these are how it looks. I don't know, it's alright. I feel like I don't really look like Hagrid after applying the hair lotion. I tamed it a bit. Okay, this is like what it looks like from the back.
It's hard for me to say.
That's my hair. I don't understand what I did. I don't know if what I did was right or wrong, if this is part of the process. I just feel like it looks greasy, and I hope like tomorrow it looks better. Like, look at that, it's so frizzy. I want to love it, but like I don't know. And then sometimes when I flip it around, it's okay, like it's kind of cute. I don't know, I'm still in the process of understanding how my hair works. In conclusion, I think the curly girl hair method is something I wouldn't do often. I think once I understand it more, or if my hair cooperates better, it'd definitely be cute. I like how my hair feels normally, and maybe on days when I feel like having curly hair, I can do this again. It was a fun experience, and I'll leave the links to the videos I watched down below. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay clean, practice social distancing. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. Mwah.